Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest, an ISO 9001-2015 certified institution. And I am Pavitra. In this video, we'll be learning how to divide the same letter into different recipients when you have the list or the client's details in your Excel sheet. For that, I'll get into the MS Word. So this is the appointment letter which I have framed into. Whenever you have the appointment letter and you have to divide it into different individuals or different employees at a time, you need not to do the same thing for each and every employees, and you need not to edit it. What you have to do is create an appointment letter, get into your mailings, start mail merge, step-by-step mail merge wizard. So it will give you a dialog box on the right hand side. So here it is a traditional method to follow all the 6 steps and merge your mailings. Firstly, what type of document are you working on? I'll go for selecting as a letter and I'll go for the next step. So how do you want to set up your letter? Using the current document. So I have to divide this appointment letter into the different individuals. So the selection will be using the current document. We'll go for the third step. So in the third step, they are asking me to select the recipients, which means the receiver of the informations, or here the receivers are the employees who are about to get the appointment letters. So go for your use an existing list and browse, because I have created these details in my Excel sheet. All I have to do is have to select it from my Excel document itself. So this is the one I have created as mail merge. So select this and go for open. So obviously if you are working on the client's data, you'll have the details of clients in the Excel. From there you can push the informations into your mailings. So it will ask for the selection of your sheets where you have entered the data into. My information is in the sheet number 1 itself. The selection of the sheet is the same. So here it is asking for first row of data contains column headers. Have given the headers in the column. So the first row of data contains column headers selection should be ticked out and OK. So whatever the data I have in my Excel sheet has been inserted into my mail merge recipient list. So this is the last name, this is the first name, and the title that I have given, company address, city, state, and all those details. Have recorded these details according to my headings itself. There is no changes that I have to make. If you want to make any changes or if you want to alter any changes, you can go for making that as well. So I have taken the information according to the order of first name, last name itself. I need not to change these things. So if the list is matching properly, then you can go for OK. So that I am done inserting the recipients list into the document. So what do you do now is, you can go for adding a greeting line or insert the merge field. So I have given a from address and I did not give the to address. In order to insert, go for to and your insert merge field and double click on each item so that these fields will get inserted into my document. And close this off and divide this information into different lines. And I want this title to be there at the top of the screen. So I'll go for pasting it to the top and I'll align this to the center of the sheet. And if you want to add any greeting address to this, you can go for greeting line, and here it is showing as dear. If you want to change the format as to or none, you can change that as well. I'll go for adding as dear, and it is taking the first name of a person by default. Or if you want to change, if there is no recipient name in the list, you can go for selecting always dear sir or madam. Irrespective of a person, it will state as dear sir or madam. And here is a preview. So my first preview is dear appointment letter mark. This is not the one I want to get into the document. So what do I do is, I'll go for making the corrections in this. For that, go for match field, and here for me the preview is all about I have to change that into the courtesy title into the first name. And you can also switch with any of the details. It might be your address, phone number, fax, or anything. As if now the courtesy title I have to take is the first name and go for OK. So it matches it well. So it is Dear Smith. And go for the second one and check with the entire list whether you have done it correctly or not. So if that is correct, it's well and good. And then click on this OK button. So it will add the greeting line into your document as well. So this is all about how you insert your merge fields from that of your Excel sheet where you have entered the data earlier to this. If you want to check with that, you can go for previewing your result. So it will show all the details of your recipients. So check whether it is correct or not. So if that is correct, well and good, you can go for or dividing this letter into different individuals. So this is of my 24th. If I want to switch back to the previous one, this is my 23rd. This is 22nd or 21st. So this way the number goes. If I want to look into the first one, select as 1. So it will show the first letter for me. So I am done with this. I can also go with these steps, or else I'll directly go for finish merge to finish up the mergings. Herein I'll show you with the last step. So if you want to take a printout of all the copies, before taking a printout, always check with the preview and then go for taking the prints. Because it's not the 1 or 2 sheet. If you go wrong, it will be a mess. So go for previewing first and then take a printout. I can go for edit individual letters, all, and OK. So that it divides all the letters into different formats into my new Word document. That's how you divide all these letters. So that's it with that. You can just go for taking a printout. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. For more of the updates, keep watching our channel. Thank you. Bye.